everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo. What's up? You all know that after War Cry, I needed to take a mental, emotional, spiritual break. It was intense. And now I'm back. I'm back and I'm gonna try and finish this album. So I'm gonna go two songs, right? Because 6 songs are left. So we'll do Machine and Supreme Leader now. Then I'll get to Suits and Streets and Can't Afford, and then Tere Hoke and Delulu Dance in the third and final reaction. Okay? So let's begin. Machine, this one features Ika. It's back again in the building. Yeah, producer Ukato. Okay, he's also back, and Hanish Taneja. Okay, let's get to it. It's been a while since I heard something from Ika. Okay, Machine, 1, 2, 3, play.
पौने 5 बंदे साथ पीसीआर मामे 4 बैरी 8 पिटे 9 क्यों 10 का हिसाब ले रहा थानेदार करी काट गिरी घात फील्डिंग आ रखी है काले खां तू हो सके तो अपनी बचा ले जा तू खो गया तो क्या करेगी तेरी माँ पैसा लौटाने के जैसे कोई बात नहीं अब बात है बंदों की चाहिए तेरे जैसा साथ में साथ नहीं अब बात है धंधों की कितने ही विले पीछे पड़े तेरे लिए बेटा तुझे अभी क्या है खबर कितनी मशीनें घूमे तुझे क्या पता आंखें सुरख लाल बढ़िया माल पीली दारू खाया मांस पापी मैं सालों साल रातों में मैं दम पिशाच मैं एक चलूं तो भाई सारे साथ मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बना रातों रात मैं हूँ कमा रहा 13 साल से पहली कमाई दी थी माँ के हाथ माँ की कमाई हाथ में आई सर पे लगाए हाथ बात बताई करियो भलाई पल में हम मौत कड़ी हुई सच्चाई दुनिया जो तूने बनाई बस वही सच बाकी तेरे भाई सबका तू ध्यान रख खुले कान रख सामान रख और करता नशा ही यो पौने 5 बंदे साथ पीसीआर मामे 4 बैरी 8 पिटे 9 क्यों 10 का हिसाब ले रहा थानेदार करी काट गिरी घात फील्डिंग आ रखी है काले खां तू हो सके तो अपनी बचा ले जा तू खो गया तो क्या करेगी तेरी माँ पैसा लौटाने के जैसे कोई बात नहीं अब बात है बंदों की चाहिए तेरे जैसा साथ में साथ नहीं अब बात है धंधों की कितने ही विले पीछे पड़े तेरे लिए बेटा तुझे अभी क्या है खबर कितनी मशीनें घूमे तुझे क्या पता
Yeah, Phantom versus Ben 10. You have 1v 10 men, ये साले 210 N10 D नहीं दूंगा चाटे ना कि Zen 10 इनकी बहन को दूं Wu Shang Clan राज कॉमिक्स में रैप मैन पेन फाइटर है पेन मेरा राकीम फैन हमसे ना भिड़े कोई अपने यहाँ बीफ पैन फुल तभी खिले जिंदगी में कीचड़ था पहले इंडियन हिप हॉप एल्बम में फीचर था वॉकमैन मेरा टीचर था बचपन से अंदर के डीमन से डील करता बेटा सारे बिल भरता हाजिर जो भी मेरे माँ बाप का दिल करता पैसा फेंका नाज स्किल्स पर था मेरा पहला एल्बम मॉफक मास अपील पर था सर्टिफाइड ओजी रहता मैं किसन के लोंडा सुने डोप डीओडी रिसेंटली थर्ड एल्बम मैंने ड्रॉप की वर्सेटाइल इतना जितने इनके टॉप 3 कंसोल में थी सीडी स्लीपिंग डॉग्स की करूंगा पिटाई बहुत इनके फाइनल बॉस की काफी बने दुश्मन जब बोलते थे ब्रोस की दोस्त तो बहुत देखी पर देखी नहीं दोस्ती फक दैट मैं तो स्किल्स चमका रहा हूं मुझे भूख लगी इस बीट को भी खा रहा हूं जिस पन्ने पे लिखूं बने काम है काज़ किंग साथ मोटी बाजी लगा रहा हूं डोंट वॉक विद द मैड मैक्स पुलिंग अप तेरे शहर काली हेलकैट रेड डॉट देखो डेड रैट बैक स्टैप करे जैसे क्लैप बैक
पौने 5 बंदे साथ पीसीआर मामे 4 बैरी 8 पिटे 9 क्यों 10 का हिसाब ले रहा थानेदार करी काट गिरी घात फील्डिंग आ रखी है काले खां तू हो सके तो अपनी बचा ले जा तू खो गया तो क्या करेगी तेरी माँ पैसा लौटाने के जैसे कोई बात नहीं अब बात है बंदों की चाहिए तेरे जैसा साथ में साथ नहीं अब बात है धंधों की कितने ही विले पीछे पड़े तेरे लिए बेटा तुझे अभी क्या है खबर कितनी मशीनें घूमे तुझे क्या पता
Wait, it's gone to the next song. What? What the hell happened here? First of all, Ikka, man. It's been a while since I've heard a song of his. Like, I have not. And this is just... He had some really, like... flow changes and his like references. Oh God. And while I was listening, I actually went to Genius to look for the lyrics. But why are the lyrics not out? They were out for War Cry. I want to see my last. I remember saying this even in my last, like, yeah, Gundagardi it was. Ikka on J-Trix's track. And that was my last, I think, reaction to one of his tracks. And then, of course, I had Nostradamus on that. Wo to we all know. Okay, so yeah, this was a while ago. He just every time he features on a track, he freaking वो क्या था लाइन ये भूख लगी है इस बीट को खाने चला हूँ दैट बिट ना आप तो पूरा गाना ही खा गए just very nice. Also, okay, so I really wish I had the lyrics, but I liked they're basically talking about the reality of the world around them and the world they've kind of grown up in and what they get to see every other day and what like एक चीज होती है और फिर उससे like he said कि अब ये बात बन गई है इसकी और उसकी नहीं रही, right, that line. And 7 बजे ये 8 बजे ये 9 बजे ये that whole scheme I really like that whole portion. 10 बजे थानेदार ये पूछता है whatever. Whole thing, the whole like scene setting and the story build up was really nicely done. I liked it. And then how they talked, like King was talking about Peli Kamai and Makudi and then this and that. I really wish I had the lyrics so I could go over the story, but very nice. Again, like I was saying in Walk Raika reaction, this is the side of King and his writing that I really like and I've always admired, where it's real and will not, I won't use the word believable, but it's very real and it's got a chunk of his lived reality in it, you know, without sounding overtly braggadocious or those kind of things. And then you're like, okay, I can relate to this as a listener. That it puts me in that space. And Ikka, man, I just, yeah. What was that Wu Shang Clan? He had one reference there. He had that Bhook Lagi. हाँ इधर लिखा है किसी ने कमेंट में मुझे भूख लगी है इस बीट को भी खा रहा हूँ that line. God damn son, it was a vibe. He also gave a shout out to people. All that happened. Really liked, and I must say the music on this was it Okato. Very sinister sounding and very, very apt for the story that was being told and the things that were being said. So fine. I liked it. Even Ikka was there at the event in Delhi, huh? Lovely. Everyone showed up. Everyone turned up. That's what we like to see. Supreme Leader is next with TY. TY and King. King is in the building and TY in the building. You see the common ground. Today they're both in the building. We are very happy. Lovely yaar. They both use that phrase, catchphrase in the building and aa gaye dono bhai sahab. So I was very surprised to see TY in the credits, in the track list. Did not know they were friends. Nobody knew. Secret friendships are always fun when we learn of them. So lovely yaar. So this also is produced by Okato and composer King and TY. Mix master Hanish Taneja. Lovely, lovely. I really want to see what they sound like together. You think it's going to be a hard track? Because like TY can really, really murder hard tracks. We know this, but the new poet Shire, not new, but the Shire TY can also be as good as King in those kind of emo spaces. So let's see what's happening. But Supreme Leader ki sound se to ye lag raha hai ki wo flex hard track hoga. Let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, play.
Yo. Wow. What a beautiful time it is. I feel like I have it all. या ओ खींचा पड़ा राजा ने है पूरा मीटर, फाड़ के मैं बेस बैठा पड़ा भीतर। मेरी अपनी है कोई भी पहचान नहीं, पर लोग कहते सेल्फ मेड सुप्रीम लीडर। तानाशाही पूरी जाऊं जिधर, लाल परी मांग रहा मेरा लिवर। मेरे पास कितना पड़ा पता नहीं, पर खरीद लूंगा बेटा तेरी जाने जिगर। जब कुल 150 हो जेब में और खाने को ना पेट में और पीने का ना साफ पानी, तब मजाल है कि कोई आके देख ले और रोटी घर में घेर दे सनम समझे जिंदगानी। मैं वहां से हुआ या जहां पे ना पाया किसी का भी साया, बस्ती में पैदा 95 जो 19 से राजा कहलाया। 2024 में मोनोपोली मूव्स कांडे पैक और DHH बोल ना पाया। लेके हम जो चले सीने इन राहों पर, सीने इन राहों पर, वो भी देख रहा मेरी लाख जिंदगी कैसे दो राहों पर, राह पहले कहे आ जाओ। ओ खींचा पड़ा राजा ने है पूरा मीटर, फाड़ के मैं बेस बैठा पड़ा भीतर। मेरी अपनी है कोई भी पहचान नहीं, पर लोग कहते सेल्फ मेड सुप्रीम लीडर। तानाशाही पूरी जाऊं जिधर, लाल परी मांग रहा मेरा लिवर। मेरे पास कितना पड़ा पता नहीं, पर खरीद लूंगा बेटा तेरी जाने जिगर।
Bow down to the king, तेरा भाई करे blink करे count सिर्फ win बिट rhymes मेरे गिन मुझे time मेरे कम ये rap for friend क्या ही रात क्या ही दिन, कभी beer कभी tims कभी weed कभी gin। तेरा भाई करे chill बेटे पास करो bill करो vibe नहीं kill सारे nil बटन है man, I don't feel a thing but try it again I don't rap for these pussies, I can spit on these pussies, never clap for these pussies. You don't lick every pussy, air tag every pussy. I don't know why these dicks wanna act like a pussy, Rhymes मेरे candid, जो भी जुड़ा rap से वो बना अपनी family. ना करो आगे बहन पेश, मीटर हुआ शार्ट तो क्या YouTube क्या Wembley? Are you down on your knees or you talking to me? नहीं मांगी ये फीस मुझे आदत नहीं है, the top of the league तेरा back full of feet, तेरा भाई रहे street तेरा side वाला please. चुने नहीं है खोले रास्ते, चले मेरा नाम बेटा पूछ लेना बाप से।
ओ खींचा पड़ा राजा ने है पूरा मीटर, फाड़ के मैं बेस बैठा पड़ा भीतर। मेरी अपनी है कोई भी पहचान नहीं, पर लोग कहते सेल्फ मेड सुप्रीम लीडर। तानाशाही पूरी जाऊं जिधर, लाल परी मांग रहा मेरा लिवर। मेरे पास कितना पड़ा पता नहीं, पर खरीद लूंगा बेटा तेरी जाने जिगर।
Okay, okay, okay. Many thoughts I have. First of all, Ukato, seriously, take a bow. Take a bow because this is one of the best music arrangements I have heard this year. Absolutely, from start to end. Beautiful. For the first time, I have to say this. And he's actually gone against the tide and against what everyone nowadays is advising musicians to do, which is keep your intro short. Everyone says, if you don't have my attention in the first 15 seconds, you're going to lose me and I'm going to skip to the next track. On streaming, that's a very, 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 very common thing. People don't like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you haven't got my attention, I'm moving on, I'm going to the next track. It is, every music pundit will tell you, probably every A&R or label exec will tell you, keep the intro short. Did not happen here. The intro, I checked as soon as the vocal started with King's like verse starting, I was like, where was this? It was 53 seconds. And I was like, yes, thank you. Thank you, King. Thank you, Ukato. Thank you for doing that. Because that intro was insane. It was so good. I had to close my eyes because I was loving what the guitar was doing. I was just loving it. I was like, yes, if only more music instruments got their time to breathe and give us these sections, I think music would just sound so much like songs would sound so much richer. That happened in this track right off the bat. I was just loving it. 53 seconds का intro आजकल कहीं नहीं मिलेगा आपको. कहीं नहीं सुनने को मिलेगा, and it was beautiful. So through the rest of the track, the way it progressed, the crescendos, the the things, the guitar that continuously did its magic, and then the way the track ended with that entire like vocal section. I will get to what I didn't like in that section, but overall, I was just like, oof, they took the thoughts that they wanted to put and this kind of like dramatic end to it with all these choir like voices, chorus wali, it was just brilliant stroke, brilliant stroke. Just if that section hadn't been there, it would have ended with this very abrupt this thing, and maybe the impact of everything they said and did would have kind of diminished a bit or been like, okay, here. But with that section, it went here. It went out of the screen. So that happened. That bit that the girls were singing, the outro it says here. I found the lyrics, by the way, on Genius. They are not Romanized, but I found them. Higher, higher, higher. We want to live to higher. ये grammatically incorrect लग रहा है मुझे. We want to live to higher. We want to live to higher. Like we want to go higher would be more appropriate. I feel we want to live to go higher. We want to live. Yeah, we want to live to higher is, I feel, incorrect. Grammatically, it is just not, because higher is not a verb. We want to live to be higher. We want to live to go higher. We want to live to climb higher. Something is missing here. We want to live to higher. I understand the thought that he's probably trying to convey, but the line itself does not sound right to me. Let me know what you guys think. So that was kind of like in my brain. But anyway, coming back, that intro section, the guitar. Who's is it Ukato who's playing the guitar? Please tell me who's playing the guitar. The name is not in the credits. I would love to know. I would love to know because mad props. Mad props. So good. So freaking good. So 1 second, when I have to just say TY started, he started doing his flow things, and then it went into a section that I have very mixed feelings about. Y'all know, y'all can imagine why. But he packed in a punch, and a lot of like this time he went so super fast that even the person who uploaded the lyrics could not keep up. यहाँ पे बहुत जगह पे question mark है. So even if I read over the lyrics, I will not be able to remember or get all the lines. But man, TY steps on a track and he's like, I'm gonna own this shit. That's the energy he brings at friggin' hell. He just ate. I'm not gonna finish that phrase because I am not Gen Z and I'll never be as cool as them, but TY ate. So that happened. And I mean, how does he do those flows? Yeah. This is the TY y'all were missing, है ना? Shikwa, side B में, y'all were complaining. Where is that Yunus, the hard flow wala? We miss him. I don't like this side. Here he is. He's arrived. He's arrived and he's making sure you know it. That's what he's doing. TY in the building. Okay, let's just quickly go over the lyrics because I feel a lot of it will be beeped by me. So my internal beep meter will go crazy. Okay. Yeah, haha, wow, what a beautiful time it is. I feel like I have it all. Something, yeah. Something means यहाँ पे question mark है. The lyrics are not there. ओ खींचा पड़ा राजा ने है पूरा मीटर, आड़ के मैं बेस बैठा बड़ा भीतर. मेरी अपनी है कोई भी पहचान नहीं, पर लोग कहते सेल्फ मेड सुप्रीम लीडर. तानाशाही पूरी जाऊं जिधर लाल परी मांग रहा मेरा लेव. What is लाल परी? Is it red label? I don't know. Is it? मेरे पास कितना बड़ा पता नहीं पर खरीद लूंगा बेटा तेरी जाने जिगर. ओके. जब कुल 150 हो जेब में और खाने को ना पेट में और पीने का ना साफ पानी, तब मजाल है कि कोई आके देख ले और रोटी घर में गेर दे. सनम समझे जिंदगानी, मैं वहां से हूँ या आया जहां पे ना पाया किसी का भी साया. बस्ती में पैदा 95 जो 19 से राजा कहलाया. Damn. 2024 में मोनोपोली मूव्स गाड़े पैक और DHH बोल ना पाया. Okay, pre-chorus. लेके हम the arrangement here was just like packing such a punch. It just really it really elevated the writing for me. लेके हम जो चले सीने इन राहों पर वो भी देख रहा मेरी लाख जिंदगी कैसे दो राहों पर राह पहली कहे आ जाओ घर. कोरस ओ खींचा पड़ा राजा ने पूरा मीटर मार्टी में बेस बैठा बड़ा भीतर. Okay, खरीद लूंगा बेटा तेरी जाने जिगर. When TY came in, I thought he'll do like a sorry. Yeah, bow down to the king. तेरा भाई करे bling, करे count सिर्फ wing है, design silicon, something something. कभी weed, कभी gym. तेरा भाई करे chill. बेटे पार something something करो vibe नहीं kill. सारे nil बट्टा nil man. I don't feel something something betrayal again. Oh, I don't rap for these. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Oh. Rhymes mere candid. It was very painful to listen to that part. I just don't like some words. Rhymes mere candid जो भी जुड़ा रैप से वो बना अपनी फैमिली. ना करो आगे बहन पेश. मीटर हुआ शाद तो क्या यूट्यूब क्या वेम्बली. I like it. Are you down on your knees when you talk to me? नहीं मांगी है फीस मुझे आदत नहीं है something something. चुने नहीं है खुले रास्ते. चले मेरे नाम बेटा पूछ लेना बाप से. चले मेरा नाम बेटा पूछ लेना बाप से. That's oof. Punchline. Mic drop. TY 8 with that flow. And then chorus and then outro. That outro was really nice. It was really dramatic. It lifted the track up. I just am not sure about the grammatical correctness of that. We want to live to higher. We want to live higher is also correct. But that extra two जो वहाँ डाल दिया है ना, उसके बाद एक verb आना चाहिए. ठीक है, जो भी है. Let me know what you guys think. This album is sounding way better in this half of it for me personally. That's what I will end this one on. We still have Suits and Streets and Can't Afford. That's going to happen next video. Chalo, I'll take your leave here. Let me know what you thought of these two tracks. Whose verses were your favorite? DM me there for further recommendations. Check out my playlist and my Nika store in the description box below. It's all linked there. Look. Do support the channel. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.